Hi Candy Kids! Today we're going to make an X and O cuff. This is going to be done by a modified ladder stitch. You are going to need 27 beads for the X's, 48 beads for the O's, elastic stretch cord, and scissors. So let's get started. We're going to take our string. We are going to add on 4 white beads, like so. Then we will add on 5 of our X beads. We're going to do 2 on one side, 2 on the other side, and then for the last one, we are going to crisscross through the middle. And now you can see we've started to get that first point for the X, and this is going to be part of our last O. So we're going to add on 2 more X beads onto each side of the string. There we go, we finished our first X. Now we're going to add on 4 O beads. Now we're going to crisscross through those 4 O beads, like so. You pull it all the way down. Now we're going to add 4 beads, O beads, onto each side. Now we are going to take one side, we're going to add on 4 O beads. Now we are going to take the string and crisscross through those 4 O beads. Pull it all the way down, make sure you're pulling it tight. And you can see that we have finished our first O. So we are going to complete this pattern. We're going to have a total of 3 X's. We're going to have 3 O's, but before you start that third O, we're going to come back here and I'll show you how to tie it all together. So once you have reached to this point, we are going to add 4 of our beads onto each side. We're going to pull our bracelet over. We're going to take one side of the string. We're going to go through all of these O beads that we originally strung on. And then we are just going to tie it off with a square knot. And you can knot it 2 or 3 times. There you go. You've made your very first X's and O cuff. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment down below. Please make sure to check out my social media, all the links. I've got supplies links down below and discount codes. I will see you lovely people later. I've been putting out videos every Monday, so check them out. Goodbye.